If you have a setup, something like this just might be what you need. This is a Vitami flexible solar panel. Flip that around so we can read it. 100 watt, high power, 23%, high conversion efficiency, wide compatibility, IP67 waterproof, high purity monocrystalline silicone, and it is bendable. It'll bend up to a 45-degree angle. We don't need to bend that much, but it says it can do it. Let's get it opened up and check it out. It is definitely flexible. Have our instructions for use, how to connect it in parallel, and how to connect it in series. In case you need to do that. I'll put a picture of the information right here, right up here. Now the cables that come on this are not very long, so keep in mind you may have to get the MC4 cable extensions. These appear to be about 2 foot long, but as you can see, it's not very long. So you will definitely need the extensions depending on your application. My application, I'm going to attach it to the fence to keep this battery charged, plus I'm going to keep it portable so I can take it camping. You can use this on, if you have a boat that you need to keep the battery charged up on that you're not using every day. This would definitely offer plenty of solar to keep that battery charged. Or if you're going camping, which for me, that is the main reason why I got this battery and this inverter and all of this setup, is so I can take it with me camping when electricity is not provided at the campsite. In the meantime, I can use it out here in the shed, plug in an AC device like a drill or a backyard light, and I can run it off that, and this will keep my battery charged up, and that is why I got it. I'm gonna get this put up here and get it hooked up.